What if the secret to glowing healthy skin wasn't found on a store shelf, but in your own kitchen? Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes of my formulation process to show you exactly how to create luxury plant-based skincare from scratch. Welcome back. If you've ever wanted to master the arts of natural beauty, you are in the right place. Before we dive into today's emulsion, I have some exciting news. Starting tomorrow, you can book your full hands-on workshop through Classbento. Whether you're looking for a fun hobby or a professional corporate team building event, I'm teaching it all there. Formulation is part science, part soul. We start by weighing our ingredients with precision. In my first heat-safe container, I'm combining fresh water or distilled water and soothing aloe vera gel. Aloe is the heart of this recipe. It's incredibly hydrating and calming for the skin. Next, in the separate container, I'm preparing my oil phase. This is the rich blend of nourishing oils, creamy shea butter, and our emulsifying wax. The wax is the bridge that will eventually allow our water and oils to bond together into that perfect creamy texture. Whilst those are ready for the heat, I'm setting aside my cool down phase. That's my glycerin and other active botanicals, plus my fragrance oils will come after. Keeping these separate ensures the heat doesn't destroy their delicate properties. Now I'm done with double boiling my oils and water, and I'm back here on my work table checking my temperature. I'm going to be combining both at 70 degrees Celsius. This is very important. If you're enjoying seeing this process, then you would love my other tutorials as well. I've recently shared a video on my natural deodorant. It's been a game changer. My daughter loves it and uses it every day. It smells incredible, and most importantly, it actually works. I use it as well. It's smooth on the skin and long lasting. You can find that tutorial on my page, or better yet, book a workshop on Classbento to learn the professional secrets behind it. Once we hit the appropriate temperature, we pour the oil base in the water base, and with the help of our hand blender, we mix both mixtures together. As we blend, the particles break down and bond, turning those separate liquids into a thick, luxurious emulsion. This is the most satisfying part of the whole process. Once it cools down slightly, I will then go ahead and add my coolest, that is my glycerin, and those beautiful fragrance oils we set aside earlier. This preserves the scent and the skin-loving benefit of the ingredients. Finally, we move to potting. Look at that texture, smooth, rich, and exactly what your skin deserves. If you want to move beyond just watching and start creating your own signature line, head over to Classbento tomorrow. From our famous deodorant to those whipped body creams, I offer workshops for individuals and even specialized corporate sessions. There is nothing quite like the feeling of using something you made with your own hands. Check out the link in my bio to book your spot, and I'll see you in the classroom. Don't forget to like and follow for more formulation secrets. See you in the next one.